What if Earth had two moons? Sounds like something straight out of science fiction, right? But imagine walking out at night, looking up, and seeing not one, but two glowing moons lighting up the sky. How would our planet change? Would it be beautiful or disastrous? Well, let's find out. The moon plays a huge role in how Earth functions. It affects our tides, stabilizes our rotation, and even impacts life cycles. So, if we added a second moon into the mix, things would get a lot more interesting and a bit chaotic. To avoid a collision, the second moon would have to be smaller than our current moon and orbit at a different distance, either closer to Earth or farther away. But here's the twist. Two moons wouldn't just orbit quietly. They'd pull on each other, interact gravitationally, and possibly even fight for dominance over Earth's tides. These gravitational interactions could cause orbital instability. One moon might crash into the other, or get ejected from orbit completely. That S right, there's a real chance that Earth would keep both moons for long. Now let's talk about tides. Our moon is responsible for the rising and falling of the oceans. With two moons, tides would become wildly unpredictable. Imagine two different tidal forces pulling on opposite sides of the planet. Some days, the ocean might flood entire coastlines. Other days, it could retreat so far, you'd be able to walk kilometers into what's normally underwater. And that's not just bad for beach vacations. It would completely disrupt marine life, shipping and weather systems. But not everything would be chaos. The night sky would be absolutely stunning. Depending on their sizes and distances, the two moons might appear to dance across the sky, sometimes side by side, sometimes chasing each other. In some parts of the world, one moon might rise just as the other sets. The extra moonlight would brighten our nights, which sounds romantic. But it could mess with nocturnal animals, confuse birds, and even throw off our sleep cycles. Too much light at night can actually affect our health, leading to insomnia or hormonal imbalances. Another big issue is Earth's axial tilt. The moon helps stabilize our tilt, which keeps the seasons relatively consistent. Add a second moon, and we might lose that balance. Earth could start wobbling more dramatically, swinging between extreme climate conditions. Summers might become unbearably hot, winters might turn into mini ice ages, and weather patterns would become far more violent and unpredictable. In short, goodbye climate stability, hello chaos. And then there's the worst-case scenario. If the two moons' orbits crossed, they could collide. The impact would send massive debris raining down on Earth, possibly triggering a mass extinction, or one moon could fall toward the planet, with devastating consequences. Of course, there's also a slight chance that over millions of years, Earth and its two moons would settle into a stable system. Some scientists suggest a second, small moon might even be hiding behind the main one right now. We just haven't seen it yet. So, what if Earth had two moons? The result could be beautiful, surreal, and awe-inspiring. But it could also bring massive disruption to tides, climate, and life as we know it. It's a powerful reminder of how delicate the balance of our planet really is, and how one simple change, like a second moon, could reshape the world in ways we can't even imagine. What do you think? Would you want to live on an Earth with two moons? Let us know in the comments.